seafood so much, can't pick a favorite dish. Just know that red snapper probably is my favorite fish. I'm with my favorite chick, I told Marie, let's make a hit.
Seafood, this ain't no cheap food, beef stew. Eating like queens and kings do. I need my crawfish, my goldfish. I need butter sauce to eat too. Go on my king crab meat too. He saying he for me too. I'm eating regardless. Pass that shrimp to a pimp, lick my lips. I sit down, smell that salmon, need a fix. Hit Marie, she hop on it, it's a hit. Read my crabs and all blues like I'm crib. Whoa.
Ooh, I want some seafood, I want some seafood. Ooh, I want some seafood, I want some seafood. Crabs and shrimp, I'm about to take a trip. Crabs and shrimp, I'm about to take a trip. Ooh, I want some seafood, I want some seafood. I do. Ooh, I want some seafood, I want some seafood. Crabs.
Gusto guys, oh, maliliit na bagulan. Tapos ito guys, oh, tampal, kung anong tawagin sa inyo ito guys. Sa amin is tampal poke. Yan. Guys, malalaki. Yan. Guys, mga malalaki guys. Dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu. Okay, so ihalabos na natin to. Yung ito guys, mga maliliit. Yan. Gusto na nga guys yung mga malalaki. Gusto yung mga isda natin. Yan. Paksiw. Yan, prito. Ito naman halabos lang. Ano? Kulang na natin sa Sprite. Yan. Guys, salang na natin siya. Haluan na natin sa tubig. Haluan natin sa Sprite. Siyang nakaraan guys, sa nag-crabbing kami, wala kami nahuli. Kay maliwanag ang buwan. Ayun. Ang buwan ngayon. Dilim. Kaya pinagbigyan din tayo. Babaw lang namin itong mga maliliit. Puno siya guys. Kailangan na sigurong ilipat ang lutuan. Guys, lipat ako dito. Ayan. Guys. Laki. Ayan. So pala guys, no, may mga libreng pang ulam kung masipag ka lang mag-fishing o mag-crabbing, kuha ng mga pusit guys. Kung masipag ka, may dilibre ka guys sa pang ulam, kahit mga ganito lang. Kaya mga shells tulad ng halaan guys, marami din dito. Okay, so puno din. Guys, takpan natin. Tapos, luto na natin.